Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my little tulip wreath to put in my bathroom. I know it looks springy, but since my bathroom is Dutch themed, I thought I'd hang this on my medicine cabinet. So I used from Dollar Tree is the smaller of the two willow wreaths. I have these realistic looking tulips from Target, Dollar Spot. This pink burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and some ribbon that I just had in my stash. I'm going to use some zip ties, and the first thing I did was I took half of my tulips and I just placed them on the willow wreath, and then I attached them with a zip tie. This way I can take my wreath apart and use them parts for another time. And then I did the same thing with the other bunch, and it was on the opposite direction. And then I made a bow using all my ribbons and my easy bow maker. And then I also wanted to put some little spirally things in there, so I took some pipe cleaners and I wrapped them around some skewers, and then I removed my skewer, and then I just pulled my pipe cleaner out a bit, stretched it. And then when I had a few of them in the same colors as my tulips, I just inserted them into my bow just to give it a whimsical look. And here it is hanging on my medicine cabinet door. I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantine and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.